Hey, what's going on? It's Steve. Hope you're having a fantastic day and welcome back to the channel. So if you're not familiar with Rockabilly, it's like the blues, but it's just positive and happy and fun. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 really easy beginner to intermediate level licks that you can start jamming with today. And I've got a free jam track at the end for you to play along with too. It's in the key of E, and I'm going to waste no time and just get right to it. All right, so again, we're in the key of E major, and the first lick goes like this. Starts off with that classic little rockabilly thing right here, like that. Open G string and hammered onto the first fret of that G string. Then hit the B string, second fret, back to open B string, and then open E string. Back to the second fret of the B, back to open B, and then hit the E string. That 3 times, and then go like this, like that. So you hit the second fret of the B string and the third fret of the high E string and push them up together. So you do it slow again. If you get going fast, it gets really sweet. All right, that's lick number 1. Lick number 2 begins the same way but ends a little bit different. That. So you start off with the open G again, hammered onto that first fret. So that's the open B to the second fret and back to open. Hit the E string again, back to the second fret of the B and the open B string, and then you slide up to the 5th fret of that B string while hitting the open E string like that. So you're basically hitting the 5th fret of the B and the open E. And that is lick number 2. Then the third lick goes like this. Very cool. So you start off with alternating open and fretted notes on the high E string. So go like this. Open E, 3rd fret, open, 2nd fret, open. Now you got the 2nd fret of the B string, back to open E string, 3rd, open, 3rd of that high E string, back to open again, and then 2nd fret of the E string, back to open B, E, and then 2nd fret of the B string, and back to open E. So all together a little bit fast. Very cool. And then the 4th lick is really similar, except you're emphasizing the 4th fret of the E string instead of that 3rd fret of the E string. So it goes like this. Really sweet. So you can slide it in like this. You hit the open E string and slide it up to the 4th, or you can just go and hit the 4th right away. So you go like this, open E, slide it up to the 4th, open, 2nd, open, back to the 2nd fret of the B string, open E string, and then slide it up again to the 4th, open, 4th, open, 2nd, open E, 2nd fret of the B string, and then to the open B. And that leads it into the 5th lick, and it goes like this. That thing's a lot of fun. You slide up from the 2nd to the 4th fret of the G string while hitting the open B string, like this. You get that little note, those notes ringing out together. And then go like this, 3rd fret of the G string and open B string creates that really cool dissonant sound. Like that, so do it twice like that. Da, na, na, na. And then bring that 3rd fret back down to the 2nd fret of the G string. Open, 2nd fret of the D string, open D, and back to the 2nd fret of the D string. And then you do that little thing we did at the very beginning, the open G string, hammered onto the first fret, open B string, second fret, open, hit the high E string twice like that, back to the second fret of the B string, and then E string right there. So all together. And then it leads you into the next kind of lick, lick number 6. I'll save that though for part 2 of the series. I've got a bunch more fun rockabilly licks coming up, so be sure to like and subscribe for that. And stick around here for the free jam track. You can practice yourself here in E major. Let me know how you do in the comments, and I'll see you around.